Create your own whiteboard movies, cartoon stories, cartoon character movies like this. Okay, watch this and let me teach you how to create it for free.
Good morning, Rosaline.
Morning,
My dear, waiting I see yesterday.
How you dey?
This matter pass me, oh. So I just dey waka. I say, my go down there, my go buy bread this morning. Now somebody just hold me for road.
Scary.
The person tell me say the money wa hold I suppose give am. If I don't give am the money, wahala for me, oh. Now so fear catch me. As I carry my money give this person. Before I know it, the person don't disappear.
That short story was actually created by AI for free. Yes, for free. Hi, my name is Wokobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize the social media platforms, how to work with AI, how to make money on social media, how to edit your videos, and how to grow on social media. So today, I will be teaching you how you can create whiteboard cartoon characters like this, stories, movie. You can actually open a channel and start this as a story, series 1, series 2, series 3, like Tegolo. You all remember Tegolo, right? And make lots of money from YouTube. Yes, not only on YouTube, but on social media. Let's go. Let me teach you how to do this for free. Again, yes, for free. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to comment the next AI tool you want me to teach you, okay? Let's go. Let me show you how to create this from scratch.
So first thing first, what you need to do is you come to your phone and you go to the Adobe Express app. When you click on Adobe Express, it will open, okay? So let's just wait for the Adobe Express to open up. Yeah, it's setting up. Okay. Now, once your Adobe Express is open like this, please do not forget to do not forget to register on this app, okay? You need to register like you're registering on a normal app, okay? You register, you log in with your email, put in your password and everything so you don't get to forget. Now, when you're logged into this app, you just swap like this because definitely this is how your page will look like, okay? So this is what your page will look like. You swap down. From here, you swap down and you look for animations. Now, once you click on animations here, you wait for it to open, okay? Just click on animation and you wait for it to open. Now, your page will open like so. Once your page open like this, you come here, you have different characters. When you click on custom characters, you have this one. These are characters that you can choose. So if you want to create your whiteboard, you can create your whiteboard characters from here. Okay, you have custom characters, you have creatures, like if you want animals, you can choose animals. If you want anything like emojis, robots, you can come here and choose robots. So here where it says you can come all people, this one's like for people and stuff like that. So where you see category, that's where you go to choose. So let's go to category. Let's choose what I want. I think I'll choose like one. Okay, when you choose it, you bring up here. I'll look for size. I'll click on size. You click on size, you look for the YouTube video size. Okay, let's just take this one. And when you take it, you bring your character in and then you minimize your character. So I have my character right like that. I'll put my character here. Okay, so like this is my character. I just had to reduce my character and put the character the way it's supposed to be. So once I put this character the way the character is supposed to be, then I'll now put my recording. Okay, you can choose background. If you want to change the background, you can change the background to whatever background that you want. So these are some of the backgrounds that you can choose just to make your videos, you know, nicer, and whatever thing you want to do, you can choose like this. Okay, so let's say I choose this background. Now what I'll do is I'll come here and I click on record. When you click on record to update this character to talk, I'll click on record. Allow microphone, I click on. Once you click on record, they give you a timer. Once the timer gets to 1, you start recording. So you start talking what you want your first character to say. As in right now, I was talking what I wanted my character to say. So just talk until you get to where you stop talking, okay? So I'll talk, and where I'm done, I'll click on done. I'll just click on done. If you forgot something, just click on pause and then you continue. So now I'll just record. When I'm done recording, then I just click on top of done. Okay, now I'm done. Just wait for it to upload, okay? Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to teach you. So we'll just wait for this to upload, and then we'll listen to the audio and make sure it's okay. first character is finished loading. So I'll just click up on that play button and listen to it. So I make sure everything I said is intact. Okay. So once I click and I play, you listen to your audio and make sure everything is intact. When everything is correct and that's how you want it, you just click on the download button. If you're satisfied with your audio, you click on the download button and this is going to save into your gallery, into your phone gallery. Okay. Now, once this save into your phone gallery, you move to the next character. Yeah. So once that's saved, you move to the next character. So let's move and create the next character same way. So you go back to your main page again, to your main profile again, then you click on animate again. So once you click on animate, you have this character. Now you change this character to the next character that you want. Okay, you can put 3 to 4 characters because the space is big. Now I'll choose the character that I want and I'll place the character on the other side of the screen because we need to edit and there are 2 people talking to each other. So you place the other character on the other side of the screen. So there will be end to end of the screen or just facing each other but not too close. You understand? So I choose that. And I was just looking for something else that like a character that can face for them to face each other because it's difficult to get them like that. So I did not see which. So I chose the male character this time around. Placed it where it was supposed to be. Fix it so it shouldn't get off the board. Okay. Once I placed it and I put it the way I want, then I click on record. Mind you, you can do all these things alone. You go to CapCut and later change the voices, add in the male voice just with your voice. You can record here with just your voice. But when you get to CapCut, you can now input the male voice, change your voice to a male voice, change the other one to a child's voice, or change the other one to a female's voice, your choice. Okay. So when you're done, I'll click on record and record this now. So click on record again, start saying whatever you want. So I normally used my voice here, like I told you all before. I used my voice, but I later changed it because I don't have a male voice. I later changed it on CapCut. So after recording all this, right, you do the same procedure. You download it the same way. And then let's move to the next. Okay, so the second part is done too. There. Good morning, Rosaline. My dear, waiting I see yesterday. Okay, so I'll click on download. Let's click on download, wait for it to download. When it's done downloading, then we take it to CapCut, okay? Where we finish the work. So we put the 2 characters together and you all get to see it. Now it's downloaded. So we are going to CapCut now. So this is my CapCut. First thing first, you click on new project. When you click on new project, you add in your first and your second character, okay? I'll add in the first one. So this is the first character here. You understand? This is the first character. Okay. Now the second character, I'll add in the second character, which means I'll click on overlay and I add in the video of the second character. Now I will size it up like that. To make it easier for you, if you want, as it is like this, right? You can actually just go down here to mask. For those who know how to use mask, okay? If you know how to use mask, you click on mask, you click on horizontal. Now, once you click on horizontal, you use your fingers, toast the yellow line around. You toast the yellow line around, make it stay in the middle like that. Then you feather it a little bit, okay? Feather it is just to smoothen it. So you see the white something there, you make it like that. And then you have both characters same place like this. Let's wait, let me push this in front. So let's get them talking. Let's hear them. Good morning, Rosaline.
Morning,
my dear, waiting I see yesterday.
How you dey?
This matter passed me. Oh. So I just dey waka. I say my go. So you see, now I actually made sure when I was recording, I made sure I gave space when the other person is talking. So if you want to do this, when you're doing the first recording, you put on your headset to do the first recording, right? And when you're doing the second recording, you make sure you're listening to the first and give space to the other person to talk. When you talk, you stop, then the other person talks. If not, you will not get it aligned like this. Okay, now I showed you how to use the mask. If you don't know how to use the mask, what you do is you come here, This second one, I'll delete it to show you the second step, okay? I'll just delete and then click back on overlay, take it again. Now, when you click on overlay and you take it again, what you need to do is this one, you click on top and you go to BG, remove BG. This is the easiest thing you can create. You go to remove BG. When you click on remove BG, you click on custom remover. Now, when you click on custom remover, you use your fingers and just use your fingers and make sure you just carve out the character alone. Carve out just the character, okay, without any other thing. Carve the character out, okay? When you carve the character out, then you click on done. So automatically you see that your character is up there. You understand? Yeah, your character is up. So make sure your character video starts from same place and ends same place. So you can see the first video I recorded was short, so my second character is longer. So you record your two videos the same. If you're recording the first video 1 minute, make sure the second video is 1 minute as well, so you catch up. If you're recording 2 minutes, the same, okay? When you're done, you just click on export and you're ready with, you can start creating tech bolo and all that with this one, okay? So yeah, guys, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool or editing tool or how to make money or how to grow you want me to teach you. Bye, guys.